I test small appliances so you don't waste money. Meet the BLACK+DECKER Crisp N Bake Compact Powerhouse. Quick verdict: crispy results, versatile functions, fits tiny kitchens. Reason 1. Air fry technology delivers deep-fried texture, minimal oil. Hot circulating air crisps food fast without drowning it in grease. Air fry mesh tray surrounds food for even speedy browning. Reason 2. 5-in-1 cooking handles air fry, bake, broil, toast. Switch modes with simple dials, no confusing menus or apps. EvenToast Technology ensures uniform browning, bagels and bread come out perfect. Reason 3. Compact footprint but roomy interior fits 9-inch pizza. 4-slice capacity handles breakfasts, snacks, small family meals easily. Perfect for apartments, dorms, offices, big results, small space. 30-minute timer with stay-on option gives precise, hands-off cooking. Temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you broil and bake flexibly. Removable crumb tray and drip pan make cleanup quick, painless. Included wire rack, bake pan, air fry tray expand cooking options. Dial controls are intuitive. Seasoned cooks will appreciate speed. Convection design speeds cooking while preserving moisture and texture. Crispy fries, roasted veggies, reheated pizza, all come out great. 2-year limited warranty provides extra confidence for everyday use. Health-conscious cooks get fried texture without the calorie overload. Busy professionals love fast meals after a long workday. Students and roommates appreciate quick pizzas, toast, snacks anytime. Small kitchens benefit from this space-saving, multifunctional countertop companion. Office pantries and grab-and-go spots gain versatile reheating options. Cleaner kitchens, healthier meals, and consistently good results every time. Want one? Tap the product link in this video's description. Follow me for hands-on tests, tips, and honest mini reviews. Save this video if you need compact, healthy cooking solutions. Grab the BLACK+DECKER Crisp N Bake. Cook smarter, live easier.